What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how can you uninstall programs from your PC directly. So you will think that uninstalling programs are very easy. You can just right click upon the program and delete it. But no, I'm going to tell you two ways of uninstalling programs directly. So come to your start bar, type here add or remove pro programs. See the best match and open it. I just opened it, and from here you can uninstall the thing which you don't want. Just like I don't want Java, so I'm just going to click on it and click on uninstall, uninstall it, and it's going to uninstall. After it installs, I'm going to show you the second point. So the second method of uninstalling programs from your PC is you can just press Windows key plus R and type here appwiz.pl. Click OK. Will open in few minutes. From here also you can uninstall the programs like OBS Studio. Uninstall or change, you just click upon it and you can uninstall the videos. So thank you guys, this was today's video. If you like the video, just go and hit the like button, and for more videos you can subscribe the channel and share with your friends the video. So thank you and bye bye.